You're welcome to another session with Mayowa Owolabi every Wednesday, 2 p.m. I'm really excited about the week. Tell me where you're joining from, and as you come on, make sure you share the video so that other people can see. We are live. You're live. You're welcome to the Forex Outlook section with Mayowa Owolabi. Tell me where you're joining from as you guys come on. We have Adeolu Adeyinka. Adeolu, how are you today? Adeolu, how are you today? Good to have you. Hey, good day, Apollos Johnson. Thank you for your video. We got it. So let's share. Let's click on the share button. Let's let other people know that we are live. Let's let other people know that we are live right now. Tell me where you're joining from, guys. It's a new week for a lot of you that trade the way I trade. But I know some of you that are active traders, you must have placed so much trade this week already. Okay, we have Ikechukwu fine. How are you doing, Ikechukwu? Fine. How are you doing? Awesome from Cameroon. How is Cameroon today? Good to have you. Mark Pius from Victoria Island. Mark, it's been a while. I didn't see you last week. You good? We have Apollos. Yeah, Apollos from Trinidad. Yeah, hi Trinidad. I've got some friends in Trinidad. Maxwell. Good to have you on. Kemes David from Port Harcourt. Good to have you, Kemes David. Hey, Mr. Augustine, all the way from Ikori, Lagos. Good to have you on today. How are you doing, sir? How are you doing, sir? Great. All is going well for Apollos. Trust is going on well for you guys. Hey, Emuka. How are you, sir? Guys, let's share. Let's increase this number in few minutes. Let's share. Let's click on the share button. Let's let everyone access this. The best you can do, guys, is to share for us, guys. So I'm coming here every time to be a blessing to you. The best you can do for me is to share. So let's share, guys. Click on the share button. Let's share 3-5 times. I'm sharing myself. I'm sharing myself. Thank you. Thanks for sharing. I'm sharing to groups. Hey, Samuel. Good day. How's it going with you? How's been your trading experience this week? Charles Ihenachok, good afternoon, boss. I celebrate you. How's your trading going today? Mary Elekwachi. a late watch. How many of us have shared? Let's share on our WhatsApp status. Let's share on every platform. Fantastic. Apollo said, I dropped a like too. Please drop a like too, guys. It will help the algorithm so that we can reach out to a lot of people to join and get this free training. Come on, guys. How many of you were around last week? EuroCard did wonders, guys. EuroCard did wonders. Like, ooh, 250 pips is a lot of work. 250 pips is a lot of work. Kenzie is washing hands. Good afternoon, sir. I'm excited. Mary said, your teaching impacted me in the area of trend line. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm excited for that feedback. Guys, the best you can do for us is to always drop feedbacks. How my channel has been a blessing to you. And make sure you share the gospel. It's a free channel. It's a free channel. So that means that we can do this together. I missed it where I was chasing GU. I missed EuroCard. No, you don't need to chase now. Hmm? Wow, I've tried it. I've shared to 10 groups right now. I've shared to 10 groups and I'm still going to share. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready, guys? Go, 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 go. Are you ready? So tell me today, tell me one of the most amazing things you've learned from us. Tell me. Okay. Charles says, can I have a private chat with you, boss? And how can I do that? Okay, take this number. You can book a session. You can send message there. I'm in the office. Okay. Reach out to her. She's my executive PA. So you can reach me if you can reach her. And she will tell you when I'm available. Okay? Charles, that's it for you. So I decided to ask, what have you planned not to do? What you are giving to yourself? That particular trade that you told us, approach that you said you're not going to do again. What have you promised yourself not to do again this year? before I start with the chart today. Wow, I don't know my car. I didn't know I've been muted since. Can you imagine? Okay, so if I say they caught 100 pips, fantastic. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy you caught that. 100 pips is a lot. I'm happy you caught that. If you call the Euro card, let me put in. I caught it. Let me know you guys caught that Euro card trade last week. It's a lot, guys. It's a lot. I'm happy. Yes, boss. Then Candy says, hello, sir. Good afternoon. I want to know your idea about major, minor Forex pairs. Do you trade both minor, major, and exotic? So, because of the way I trade, I'm a swing trader. And because I'm a swing trader, swing position trader, because I tend to hold trades for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 8 months. So I've moved from trading lower time frame because I don't want to be trading aggressively. Okay, so it allows me to be able to trade all pairs, either exotic, anyone. However, your strategy is the one that will place you, and your style of trading is the one that will place you where you should be. If you're an intraday trader or a scalper, I recommend you stick to majors. Handy ball. Stick to majors only. As a matter of fact, if you're an intraday trader, if you're a scalper, stick to just 2 pairs only. Don't be jumping around. 2 pairs is enough to scalp. Because the Forex market is structured in such a way that the battle is between the quality and the quantity. So if you are trading intraday and scalping, you need to know that you will be trading, you need to trade more, less pair for you to get quality, less pair. Have I helped you? So basically, I'm a swing position trader. I do all. Thank you so much. Hey, Aria says, I caught some move on Euro card, a day sell candle, then I ran. I don't understand where you are running to. Euro card gave extra 2 to 3 days sell candle. So painful, I can't hold for more pips. Yeah, so it's a psychology, okay? It's a psychology. And I've been in your shoe before. I used to pick only only the trades. Once I'm in profit, I run out of trades. But as I kept on, um, as I kept on scaling up my approach to trading, I understood psychology more. Okay, so that's why I tell people you can't learn psychology in 3 months. You can't learn psychology in 6 months. You can learn psychology above 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, because it takes time. You need to still master, you still have to master the strategy first before you move into psychology. So you need to grow, Ariel, but it's going to take time, okay? It's going to take time. So stick to your strategy. Another way you can do that is take some partials and leave the rest. And you must be willing to let the rest come and hit you out and break even. But you get to master it over time. Okay? Good day, sir. Mr. Daniel. Good day, my brother. I celebrate you, sir. Apollo says, what I've learned is wait, be patient. Money flow from the impatient trader to the patient trader. Fantastic. That's the word. Money flow from the impatient trader to the patient trader. Fantastic. Money Solomon Alele. Good to have you. Okay, Augustine says, I have learned patience, not to jump into a trade without enough confirmation. Fantastic. You need that, guys. You need that. Okay, Daniel says, I'm ready. I'm ready. Please, what is the idea of buying Bitcoins? What is what is ideal of buying Bitcoin? I'm not buying Bitcoin right now. I'll talk about that tomorrow. But I've told you guys that I'm expecting Bitcoin to come below 11,000. As a matter of fact, I'm picking from anything above 11, anything below 11. So I'm not going to buy right now. It's tempting to see the market around 23, but I have learned over time to hold on to my belief and my faith. Kemsey says, I can't hear you. Can others hear me? Can others hear me? Can others hear me? Okay, Prof. FX says, good afternoon, Mr. Mayowa. Can an intraday trader and scalper learn your strategy? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. The way I trade, it works on every time frame. That is why I identify higher time frame location, and I trade on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So you can. You can. You can. Do you swing on a small account? Yes, I do. The only way to multiply your money if you have a small account is to swing. I've been there before that I wanted to keep scalping, you know. So what I noticed is that when I go in, I make money, I go in, I make money. When I go in the next one, it clears off the profit and it hits into it. So it's not consistent because you trade often. Okay, so if you don't want to lose your profit due to being aggressive, you want to be able to stay with a swing account. Okay, like the last time I told you, I had a $56, less than $100 account in my account, and what did I do? I grew the $56 to about $800. Yeah, and I still have that account. So I'm waiting for the next trade now, so I can go in, and from the $800, I can take it to maybe 2,000 or 5,000, as the case may be. So swinging, it helps you, especially when you have small account. Because when you have small account and you trade often, you are tempted to trade more, and you might end up losing more. Okay, you guys can hear me. Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you. So can we get busy with today's session? So as usual, You guys know my approach, okay? We pick it from we pick it from higher time frame. I don't do anything less than higher time frame. I love it. It's the way I trade. Okay, I love it. It's the way I trade. You know, and I've learned it over the years. Okay, so you can also learn yours. Like that, my brother that asked intraday. So if I'm trading intraday, I do from daily 4 hours. That's what I do. However, I trade majors for intraday. I don't trade everything for intraday. So the market is currently on a monthly supply, but I told us the other time that this is a weak zone. It's a weak zone. But if there is a confirmation, that means that this will keep going up. And if JXY keeps going up, that means that we will see sell on all the JPY pairs. But this is a rejection, and there's already a reaction, okay, on 8 hours chart already. Okay, so that means that JPY could be weak this week. Okay. The next one is GBP. I told us since more than 2 months that inside this zone we need a decision, and the decision took GBP pairs about 2 months before they could give us the clear direction that they are bearish. So I'm going to be looking out to keep selling GBP pairs. So my bias for GBP pair is sell, guys. So I also told us about this flip zone, that the market is on this flip zone, that's DXY. And if DXY is in this flip zone, we finally got a confirmation last week. We broke out of that zone. So that means that the volume has come in. And because the volume has come in, it makes a lot of sense to now start selling, looking for sell opportunity on USD pairs. So when I mean sell opportunity, I mean GBP USD sell, AUD USD sell, NZD USD sell. Now the challenge with trading intraday, if you have not mastered trading alongside with the institutions, the volume, is that you're going to be trading so many times and you will not be able to know when they are out of that position. So right now, for them to have this, for them to give us these 3 candles, these engulfing candles, it means that the volume is in the market right now. And with that, I'll tell you guys, DXY is bullish. Okay, DXY is bullish. Euro is bearish. So we're going to be looking for sell on euro pairs. But that sell might be happening next week. It might not happen this week. It could be a short buy to the top. A short buy to the top. And when we got that short buy to the top, we can now scale up from there. So, but right now, I will recommend that people leverage more on the little intraday movement. Then we can now sell for a long time. NZD sell, guys, sell. NZD sell bias. AUD sell bias. Check, bullish. CAD bullish. So how will this help you as a trader? Is to now trade the weak against the strength, the weak against the strength, or the strong against the weak. Anyone that suits you. Does that make sense, guys? So this is how you can consistently be making money in the market without losing. Sometimes I can take 3-4 trades stretch and I will not lose one. Not because I'm a master, but I have mastered the craft to know where the volume is and where the volume is not. So when you join that together, you're going to be good to go. If you don't know how to use index, you can use COT report. Okay? Maybe one of these days I'll do a video on COT. I have a free video on COT report. You can go to my YouTube channel and search for my past videos on COT report. I did a breakdown on COT report. Yeah. Just that if you know how to use index, you might not need COT report. But a lot of people use COT data weekly. Okay, weekly, which is also almost the same. Okay. If you are learning, type in I'm learning. Come on, guys, type in I'm learning. If you have not liked this video, I'm not going to analyze. Everybody, you need to like. Let me see you like this video. Click on like, click on share. That's the only way. I'm not telling you to pay me for this video. The only way you can encourage my team is to click on like and click on share. Click on like, click on share. Fantastic. Thank you. Type in I'm learning. Fantastic. Pro FX says I'm learning a lot. You're welcome, my brother. Oluleke Sunola, I'm learning a lot. I'm learning. Fantastic. Type in I'm learning. Click on the like button. Like this video. Like and share. So Barry Brown says I'm blessed. Thank God you are blessed. I'm excited. You're blessed. Samuel Oduma says you are the best. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Jeffrey Wilson says I'm learning. Dada Bukola says I'm learning. Before, why won't you learn? Why won't you learn? Adeolu says, I think COT report should always correspond with the direction of index. 100%. But if you want COT report as the data, the detail of the orders. COT report has the details of the orders. Okay, but I'm fine with the index because I'm fine. I'm just fine. I love the index. Toby Abraham said, I have also subscribed. Fantastic. Let's go. Thanks for subscribing. Tommy says, I'm learning. Bolanle says, I'm learning. Ebuka says, I'm learning. Pastor Cash, my father. I'm loyal, sir. You know I'm loyal. Pastor Cash, I've not heard your voice this year. This is not right, sir. I've not heard your voice. I thought of you yesterday. Or was it this morning? It's not right, though. I've missed you if you don't miss me. I've missed you if you did not miss me. Okay. Chibueke says USD JPY analysis. Okay. I'm just hearing about COT report. I'm aware of index and I only consider the DXY. You need to master all other DXY to be a brown. If you learn the other DXY, you will just be trading the weak against the strong. A weak against the strong, then you'll be killing it. I'm learning. Great to be here once again. Joshua, thank you. My God. I will call you after this program. Please call. I'm learning. Okay, good. I'm learning. Okay, good. So after in-depth, we go into the pairs for the week. So what pair do you guys want me to analyze today? So what I do basically is that when you mention the assets or the currency, then somebody seconds. So I need just 2 or more people to mention a pair, then that's what I will analyze. Because I can't analyze all your pairs, obviously. If I do, I can tell you that Kolewa. Okay, so thank you so much. Prof FX says other index discourage me because it's messy in chart patterns. Okay, so you want to do higher time frame. You want to do higher time frame, daily, weekly, monthly chart. That's what you should do. That's what you should do. Do higher time frame. Okay, so one of us says GBP USD, another person says AUD USD, another Mary says Euro USD, Tomisin says USD JPY. Okay, Jeffrey Wilson says USD JPY. Okay, so I think a lot of people are saying G. So we'll do GU. We'll do GU. So from what we have analyzed, if USD is selling, sorry, if GBP is, what did we say GBP index is doing? Tell me. What did we say GBP index is doing? Tell me. What did we say GBP index is doing? What is GBP index doing? And what is DXY doing? Okay, so GBP index is weak. Good. So what's the second pair? What is the second pair? USD. So what is USD doing? What's good? So DXY is bullish. Fantastic. So good. So your goal is to stick to selling because GBP USD is calling sell. So if GBP USD is calling, if GBP is weak and USD is strong, that means you will be looking for sell. So let's go to GBP USD. And as usual, I always clear my chart because the premium mentorship group, they will always be sharp, but it's fine. So this is monthly time frame. And you will agree with me that we are on a flip zone. And I told you guys that we're on flip zone. And I said this is where we are reacting to. And if GBP USD is reacting to that zone, that means that there could be, let me set you guys on fire today. There'll be a potential. This is where we're going to be looking at to exit these cells. So if I can catch this cell, all I need to do is to keep selling till the market comes to 0.9700. And if you do that, that is about 2,300 pips. So this is the higher time frame analysis. So if you now want to trade this, it now means that your strategy, like the strategy you're using to trade, you now need to be looking for sell opportunity. So here is the challenge with a lot of intraday traders. If you don't understand the bigger picture, this morning you would have picked a sell, a buy here. And you will agree with me that it's been very boring buying. Like it's been very boring, it's been struggling. And the reason why it's struggling is because the institutions are pushing for itself. So any opposing trend, anytime the market is opposing the institution, the market will be retracing. It's going to be against the trend. So all you need to do is to go in alignment, make sure you are trading with the trend. So, but does that mean that every sell on 30 minutes, 15 minutes, you should be trading? Yeah, not really. Because it could just be a short sell for the retracement until the higher time frame starts. So right now, I told you last week that our sell will be at 2400. How many of you remember that? I told you that we're going to be selling from 2400. 2400. Now, if you have caught that sell last week, you would have banked in 420. Good money or bad money? Is that good money or bad money? $400 pips. Is it good money? 400 pips on a $100 account or a $10 risk is 420. That's a lot of money, guys. Last tip, you should sell from 0.2400 using your own entry strategy. You would have done a good no. When they take profit not for you to buy, they are just taking profit. You trade alongside with them. So you don't want to trade against them. Please don't trade against. So like I Okay, so we are back. Hey, yeah, sorry. Network wants to, and we have a good network in the office here. Okay, are we back? Can you hear me? Okay, so let's get back to work. So I said that we're going to be looking at to sell around 2300. 2300, that's where you sell. 2300, that's where you will sell for. That's where you will sell for GBPUSD. Then, if it is a must that you buy, you're going to be buying. If it is a must you want to buy, the only place I will be buying if it is a must for me to buy is around 19800. So I'll buy from here, but I'll sell from the top. So as a smart trader, where is normal for you to, what are you to do? Are you to buy or you are to sell? What are you to do? What are you to do? Are you to buy or you are to sell? Good. So the challenge is that a lot of you will still want to buy here because you are an intraday trader. But trading that buy, you are trading against the volume. You are trading against the institution. So it means that the buying going up can be struggling. So that is why I don't trade every time, because I only want to trade with the order flow. So because I only want to trade with the order flow, I will not trade every trade, because the only trade I should be waiting for right now is the trade that comes from the higher time frame movement. So I won't want to trade this one now. I'd rather come and trade the sell, because that's better for me. And I'm trading with the order, with the senior brothers. But when it is lower time frame, you can now come and say, okay, since I know, okay, I just want to trade this one so I can get some, profit for the week. So invariably, anyone is fine. I'll drop it on the group. So if your strategy tells you to buy at the zone, buy. Okay? You guys know I don't put pending order. I still go to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 5 minutes to pick my entry. So I'm not trading pending order on higher time frame. So I'm going to drop this on the group, on the Telegram group. If you are not there, make sure you are there. The link is in the description. Okay? So my bias is that right now there is no trade, but these are the tradable zones that I'm investing, that I will be waiting for to buy and sell. Okay? So if you are holding GBP USD, what I expect you to do is to take partials, but don't close that first trade. Anything above 2400 that you first took is a trade you can hold for the next 8 months. Did I tell you that? If you cannot handle it, it's a trade you can hold for a long time. Remove that 8 months, delete that. delete that 8 month, guys. Okay, delete that 8 months. Okay, so to sell, I'm on 2 hours chart. I'm on 2 hours chart. I'm dropping the 2 hours chart on the Telegram group. Okay, that's what I'm going to be dropping. Okay, so the second pair a lot of you are asking is AUD. Please, before I go to AUD USD, is GBP USD clear now? Is, some people say they can't still hear me. I don't get. Can you hear me? I don't get it. Check your side. Please, if you can hear me, put in 7. Oh, jeez. People are hearing me now, guys. Okay, so if I says I'm on standby by the 8 month body 8 month old. Yeah, you can. You can. You can. So let's do AUD USD. A lot of people can hear me now. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. So let's go to AUD USD. A lot of you are saying AUD USD. So the same question you need to ask yourself again. What is AUD? What is AUD index doing? What is AUD index doing? Tell me. Benga Adekoya, boss's boss. I salute. Oh. I salute you too, sir. I salute you too, sir. What is AUD index doing? AUD is bearish. Okay, so what is USD doing? Fantastic. So what are we going to do? Charles says AUD is bearish and USD is bullish. So what are you expecting to do on AUD USD? What are you expecting? Good. So we are going to sell. Okay, guys. So let's go to sell right now. Let's go to sell. AUD USD. So AUD USD, are you ready? I will be selling anything above 72, 7100. As a matter of fact, that's what I'm going to be selling from. I'm going to be selling from 0.7120. That's what I'm going to be selling from. I'm going to be selling from 0.7120. I won't sell right now. I won't sell right now. But anywhere around that zone, I'm going to be looking for a sell because the institutions are selling all the way from. I told you guys last week that this guy was on a weekly supply, this order block. I told you guys last week. If you're in that class, last week. So anything around 7100, 71,200, between 71,200 and 71,500, I'm going to be selling from them. And when I hold this sell, guys, I'm going to be holding it till plus or minus a long time. So you should come out at your exit. You don't understand it. Anything from 7100, I'm fine. Then I'll go to lower time frame to pick my edge. Anything from there, I'll be fine. So I'll drop this guy too on the group for you guys. I don't use pending order. You must have your entry strategy. I use my own entry strategy that enables me to go in between 5 pips to 15 pips, sometimes 20 pips. So you can see right now, if you go in here right now on this sell, you're going to be risking 60 pips. That is against my rule. Okay? The way I can flip account is because I understand how to narrow down top-down analysis from monthly time zone to 5 minutes, 15 minutes. That is how I trade. So if you want to trade your strategy, that ROSI strategy, that MACD strategy, that Ichimoku strategy, that SMC strategy, that ICT strategy, that all those strategies that you are using, no matter who you are, you now want to go and use it in those zones. So my goal is to give you those zones. Your goal is to, because you cannot learn, you cannot enter a trade if you cannot maximize trading if you don't know how to trade. That is why I am strongly against signal group. Okay, sorry for people that are selling signal group. I'm sorry, because a lot of times signal groups, they won't tell you when they come out. They will only tell you stop loss, all those things, and you will enter. Sometimes they even manipulate, they move their stop loss, then they put it again. You know, all those things. So that is why I said you need to fold your hands, get your hands dirty, and learn. You want to grow $500 to $1 million. All those large results. You don't get that large result from signal. You get it from getting your hands dirty and understanding it. So we've analyzed the second trade for the week, and I think we are good. Tell me more. Somebody is saying Euro AUD. Another person is saying Euro card. Another person is saying GBPCAD. So much to do here, guys. So much. If you're learning typing, I'm learning, guys. Let me tell you. Let me see. Let me be sure you guys are learning. Let me be sure you guys are learning. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Fantastic. So tell me, what should we do next? Sumo analysis, and we are good to go. Fantastic. So Charles says G card. Chukus, Joshua says zero card. GBPCAD. A lot of people are saying GBPCAD. A lot of people are saying GBPCAD. Hmm. 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 Okay, so we'll do GBPCAD, and okay, so before I go to GBPCAD and round up for the day, I need to tell you about what is happening right now. Okay. Kem says, I'm newbie. Kemzi David says, I'm a newbie and I really want to learn. How can I join you? I have my students all over the world, Kem David. Okay? Just reach out to this number after and get started. Reach out to this number to get started. Bukola will be glad to help you. Reach out to her. So before we go to Euro AUD Okpe and GBPCAD, I have an announcement to make, and the announcement is that you all need to be at this Money Matters Mastermind class. Okay? And it's happening next week, Saturday. If you are in Lagos, chat up with Bukola that you want to attend this event. It is $100 for VIP, and it is $30 for regular. But the first 50 people to register, you will have access for free entry. What do I do in the Money Master class? A lot of you trade Forex, how money works. So I see people make money and they don't take profit. I see them take profit. They don't know where to invest. I see them take profit. They don't know how to do well. Some of you, you cannot make money because you are lazy. In the February edition, I'm going to be sharing with you how to become a GOAT, which is greatest of all time. You can do it. There is a formula to become it. You're talking about Coben, Brand. You're talking about Grant Cardone. You're talking about Ronaldo, Messi, all these people you talk and you call them goats, they have a formula. And this formula is not just for them, it's for everybody. But I have discovered that it is not everybody that uses it. And you like me, you call me a goat, I'm the best. Although there is a formula. So I want to share this formula up next week, Saturday. All you need to do right now is to go to the chat up with the number showing on the screen. She will give you a reservation. If you know you are not coming, don't register. If you know you are outside Lagos, you can join online. But for 50 people, she will be waiving $30 for you. That is about 20,000 naira. She will waive it for you. Just tell her, I want to attend Money Matters Masterclass, MMC event for free. She will give you a ticket, and that ticket opens you up for that day. Where's my own ticket? This is the ticket she will reserve for you. And if you are not in Lagos, you want to join, you will be given a link to join. So I'll be sharing that. So reach out to Paula on your screen right now and enjoy the event free. If you want to be a VIP, the VIP has access to the recording. The VIP has access to practical section after the general section, which is more or less a mentorship session where I work with you. I create action plans for you. So if you want to do that, you can also enjoy 50% discount right now. So chat up with Bukola. She will give you, instead of paying on, you will pay $50. A lot of people join all over the world for the VIP. Wherever you are, you can join. And if you want to come physical, you can come physical. So at this training, I will help you. If you're an entrepreneur, don't miss it. If you're a business person, don't miss it. If you are working with someone, don't miss it for any reason. And if you're a Forex trader, don't miss it. So reach out to Bukola. She will help you get a seat reservation, enjoy the discount to attend for free. You also get that. Now, the second announcement that I have for you is that if you want me to mentor you, not you will make money, guarantee. When I mean guarantee, or it is just for you to be obedient. If you cannot be obedient, don't join, don't come. But if you want me to mentor you, join the Forex Mastermind group. The Forex Mastermind is a $11,000 one-year program. But for the past 8 months, I've been giving you people 90% discount, which allows you to pay $1,000 for 1 year. Reach out to Bukola now, and tell her the number on the screen. I want Mr. Mayowa to mentor me for 1 year. I want to master Forex. Mr. Mayowa, can't I learn it for 1 month? Did you learn being a doctor for 1 month? Did you learn engineering for 1 month losing month? I reach out to the number on the screen right now before the price goes up. We are launching a new website, and once we launch the new website, the prices goes up. Guarantee. But Mr. Mayowa, what will you be teaching me? You have access to my course. institutional trading concept. You will have access to me. You also have 4 weeks private session. We train in that group 4 times a week. The devil that will not make you to succeed. Okay, we are 4. When I'm talking about money, network is not bad. Is it better now? Is it better now? Adeyemi Afe, is it better now? Samuel, is it better now? I've restarted my internet here. And I have to come and install a bit. And I have to buy this Elon Musk internet. That is satellite internet in the office for you guys. Okay, if you can hear me. So what I'm saying is that if you want Mr. Mayowa to mentor you for 1 year, teaching you how to succeed in the Forex market, all you need to do is to reach out to the number showing on the screen. What are you going to be having access to? You're going to be having access to the ITC trading strategy, which cost is about $3,000 US. You're going to be having access, fantastic. You're going to be having access to me. You're going to be having access to me. You're also going to be having access to 4 trading sessions a week. Four trading sessions a week. We trade together Tuesdays, Sundays, Mondays, and Thursdays. 4 sessions for 1 year. You're also going to be having access to my recordings, over 100 hours recordings. And all of this is for 1 year. Mr. Mayowa, can't it be 3 months? I've discovered that a lot of you are quick to want to make money, and it allows you to lose. So that is why my program is 1 year. I will mentor you for 1 year, and your life will never remain the same again. Guarantee. Guarantee. A lot of students last year did over 1,000% of their capital. One of the students that joined in September have done over 500% of his account right now. I'm not guaranteeing you 500%, but I'm going to teach you how we do it. I'm guaranteeing you that you will make money. You see what I'm telling you now. But it's not 1 month program. It is a year program. And all of this program goes for $11,000 US. But for the past 8 months, I've been giving you 90% discount, which allows you to pay $1,000. So reach out to the number on the screen right now. You will pay $1,000 for 1 year. I will mentor you, and you're good to go. Okay, for 1 year. Mr. Mayowa, I don't have $1,000 now. Can I pay instrumentally? You can pay instrumentally. Okay, you can pay $300 for 4 months. Every month you pay $300 for 4 months. If you pay that, you're good to go. So reach out to Bukola to join the Forex community, because this is the time to join now. This is the time to join. Bukola will help you get started right. There's a lot of opportunities to join. Okay, 6 trades last year gave us over 19,000%. 6 trades, not so many trades, 6 trades. So if you know what you are doing, you join. So reach out to the Bukola on the screen. St. Mark says, Adeshino, I need some mentorship. Yes, please reach out to Bukola. She will help you get started. On WhatsApp, you can call her, anyone, you're good to go. Okay? Anywhere you are in the world. I have students in the United States, I have students in Canada, I have students every part of the world. So our training is majorly online, no physical training. But if you are in Lagos, if you want to come to the office, you can come over to the office. But we don't train in the office. You just can visit us in the office. Now, the last but not the least, before I round up my other analysis, is go and get my Forex market code. This is it. Go and get it. Go and get it. When you get this book, it's 10,000 naira. You get it for 5,000 naira, 50% discount. I've been giving discount on this book. Yeah, some of you are buying, some of you are not buying. When it now becomes no discount, you'll be begging. Call Bukola now. Forex financial market code. My story is in this book. How I trade is in this book. How I overcame psychology is in this book. Buy it. Cryptocurrency book. Code. Go and buy it. How to create wealth. Go and buy it. All of this is available on our website, and also you can reach out to Bukola and you're good to go. Okay, can we do the two other analysis? Are you ready? Are you ready? So if you are joining the Forex community, make sure you get that started before you launch the new website. Once we launch the new website, it's called Owolabi. So let's go and do GBPCAD and Euro AUD. And we're good. GBPCAD, Euro AUD. Where are you? GBPCAD, Euro AUD. Good. Let's go to GBPCAD. GBPCAD. Okay, so you guys agree with me that the volume that GBP is weak and CAD is strong. So that means that the only option we have is to sell on GBPCAD. Okay, and if we are to sell on GBPCAD, we're going to be looking at this zone for a sell. We're going to be looking at this zone for a sell. Don't sell here. You have to sell here, but use your own entry, please. Okay, good. So this is yeah, this is it. So come here, look for a sell opportunity. Okay, I'm not sure it's going to come up here for this week. Okay, then let me see if there's opportunity for counter trend. I'm not sure counter trend is good here. Wait for that reversal, okay? Wait for that reversal. Wait for that reversal. I'll be better to sell here. Don't buy. But if you buy now, it's against the trend. So let's put this in the. There are too many lines here. Okay. So you wait for your confirmation to sell. Good. Let's go to the next one. Euro CAD, Euro AUD. I don't know what you are doing on that pair. I don't know. Euro AUD. Okay. So Euro AUD is on a demand on daily time frame. And it's coming from, wow. Okay. Hmm. There's a lot of work right here. Uh, I have to trade this. This is the only option. But usually I won't trade it because I won't trade it because Euro is weak, AUD is weak. Put your money where the volume is now. Don't put your money anywhere. Hmm? So I can get retracements, I'll buy here. That's the only option for Euro cash. Okay? I hope with these 50 points of mine, I've been able to help you. Apollos, what's the website to? Okay, reach out to that number on the screen, Apollos. She will help you. Bukola will help you. How do I invest in WKC and DR Ruby? Today is not cryptocurrency deal. You need to first learn how. Go to their website and learn it now. But I can't break, or you join tomorrow so I can explain to you. Tomorrow is cryptocurrency day. Is that clear, Samuel? Okay. So are we good, guys? Are we good? We've analyzed Euro, GBP, USD, AUD, USD, Euro, AUD, GBPCAD. I think that's a very good one. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. Thank you so much for jumping on call. I want to appreciate you all. I'll see you again tomorrow, 2 p.m. West African time, where we'll talk about cryptocurrency. A lot is happening. People are jumping in. People are buying. A lot of the assets are doing 200%, 400%. They are good. But for me, they are not my impulsive moves. And I'll talk more about that tomorrow. Okay? So, if you want to get the books, reach out to Bukola, the number on the screen. If you want to join the mastermind, the Forex Mastermind group, reach out to her. She will help you get started and we'll take it up from there. Do have a pleasant evening. Make sure you are trading with proper risk management. If you don't know risk management, go to my YouTube video on risk management. Watch it. Don't just trade. And do trading as business. Now, see you at the top and not from the top. My name remains Mayowa. Have a pleasant evening. Peace out, guys. And I'll talk to you guys soon.